While the lives of footballers often share similarities, Jamie Vardy's story stands out as truly unique. Struggling academically and deemed inadequate for his hometown team at the age of 16, Vardy had only one chance to survive in life: to work. Starting as a laborer at a carbon fiber factory at the age of 16, he has now become the hero of the working class. Let's delve into Jamie Vardy's inspiring journey. Born on January 11, 1987, in Sheffield, England, to a crane driver father and a secretary mother, Vardy faced the challenges of life in England, where the entire family had to work to make ends meet. However, there was one more possibility for Jamie Vardy: football. Unfortunately, his story didn't begin as planned. Sheffield Wednesday rejected him due to perceived inadequacy, leaving Vardy to stay away from football, and life awaited him. Vardy started working as a laborer in a factory producing materials designed for disabled individuals. It was a tough job, constantly lifting hot materials from the oven. He worked 12 hours a day, unable to play football. Encouraged by friends, he returned to football at the age of 16, playing for Stockbridge Park. Earning only £30 per week initially, Vardy felt good despite shattered dreams. Playing weekends for 4 years, Vardy excelled as a striker. His performance caught the attention of Halifax Town between 2007 and 2010, leading to a transfer. Halifax Town paid £18,000 for him, and Vardy repaid them with 26 goals in 37 matches. He no longer needed to work in the factory and could modestly continue his life. Everything seemed on track. Vardy even earned the Player of the Year award. However, another fantastic opportunity awaited him before he could fully relish the award. In 2011, Fleetwood Town wanted to sign him, offering £170,000. Though Halifax Town was initially reluctant to sell, the Conference Premier team had deep pockets. Vardy became a watched player, and hundreds of thousands of pounds were spent on him. In his first season, he scored 31 goals in 36 matches, crucial to his team's promotion and becoming the top scorer. Leicester City, a championship team, sought to sign him in 2012, offering £1 million for a player who had spent years in the amateur ranks. In his first season, Vardy did his best, but success came the following season when Leicester City won the championship and ascended to the Premier League. Now, his new mission was to survive in the Premier League. He succeeded, securing his team's place and finishing 14th in the Premier League. While it was a significant triumph for them, Vardy was unaware that the next season would see him realizing one of the greatest fairy tales in football history. In 2016, Leicester City clinched the championship, and Jamie Vardy, who had played amateur football 6 years prior and worked 12-hour shifts a decade ago, was among the architects of this triumph. 10 years ago, earning £30 per week, his new contract stated he would receive £80,000. Vardy became one of the most talked about individuals globally that season, a prince in a fairy tale. Inspired by his life story, Jamie Vardy established a football academy to develop amateur players and find new stars. Despite missing England national team matches due to overlapping work hours, he compensated by representing the national team. If we had witnessed all of this in a movie, we might have found the script too exaggerated and unrealistic. However, Jamie Vardy achieved all of these as an ordinary worker.